Good day, guys, and welcome to the city of Linz in Austria. Today is a special day, not because it's my first vlog, but because we are going to be going to the Rosenbauer factory. Yes, you heard it. It's time to visit our new fire truck in Leonding, Austria. Hello guys, now we are in Rosenbauer's head office in lobby waiting to see our truck. I'll update you in the later episodes. Currently checking various parts of the truck. As you can see here, that's our calves line, our calves. So we're just making sure that everything is proper, accounted for, before this truck will be shipped to the Philippines.
This is then the traffic control system in the rear.
Now you see the arrows in the rear.
Just to the left or just to the right. This is then the control for the emergency lights.
Tank contents, you see?
Yeah, here. Here say. Okay, this is front. Now it's front and rear. And here you can omit the front and have only the rear.
This is the front.
The front flashers on the lower ones. So you see also that this one are activated and now it's deactivated. And in the rear you have the rear flashers and deactivated. And the emergency light is always on. So you a single button, now it's off again. So now we can activate the sea lights. Now you have all. This button is for all. And here you can select just the right side or just the left side. And what is this? And here you can switch it off.
Now, items compliance checks weren't the only activity in store for us on that day. After lunch, the Rosenbauer agents took us through a tour of the Rosenbauer Work-1 facility. We saw how the various pumps were assembled and a production line for their MT apparatus. We saw a lot of good MTs. Unfortunately, we were not allowed to film or take pictures of the production area for corporate security reasons. But luckily for us, the Rosenbauer agent brought us to the assembly area of the new revolutionary technology fire truck. This is their new RT line. And my gosh, what a beautiful fire engine. Fully custom built hybrid electric truck. Just wow! And so, that concludes our first day. Stay tuned for the next video as we go through the pump testing as well as the siren testing, which happened on the second day of our visit to the Rosenbauer Plant 1. I hope you enjoyed this first vlog of mine, and if you enjoyed the video and want to see more, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Cheers, guys!